Hey everybody, it's Nazar with Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I wanted to just do a video on a Micheals grab bag reveal. My mom's in town. We had to go to Micheals. I had to get some Carol and Simply Soft in sunshine for my one of my sunflower rugs. And of course, you walk in and you see the grab bag signs. We don't do grab bags. We do grab boxes for $10. And I want to share with you what I found inside. I tried to peek into the handles here on the side. And I saw a little bit of yarn. So I was like, I'll get this one. Maybe there's some yarn. So I'll show you what's in here. Most of it is children's fun stuff. But this is the Creatology little craft kits where you just little shooting stars. I got 2 of those. So those are normally $4.99 each. I think I actually bought one of these already for baby brother, and I got it for like $1. It was like 50 or 60% off, something like that. And then these are cute needlepoint craft kits. These are good starter kits for somebody that wants to learn how to sew. So these might end up going to the young ladies at my church because they ask me all the time how to sew. So, Build and Grow Magic Land. Looks like it's a cardboard land. It actually has, yeah, chia seeds. And you get to paint it and decorate it. Oh, it's wood. It's not cardboard, it's wood. That's cool. So some of these things make really good birthday gifts, and you got them for next to nothing. So here's a Creatology stepping stone kit. You just paint the stepping stone. That's really neat. And then, let's see, and then I have some paper masks. There's a, looks like a fox, a unicorn, and a lion. Those will be fun for the kids. We got some window clings, a shark, hello summer again. That might not be all the window clings, but I'm not sure. This is a sun catcher or a window cling that you paint. Another hello summer, or spring. Yeah, this is another hello spring. I got 3 of those, it looks like. These are fun to go outside. Little paddleboard. It's called Outer Bound Pickleball Packet. The boys will have fun swinging those little clubs around. That's for sure. I got this decorative rose tea. And then a decorative H. I don't know what I'm going to do with those because I don't have those names, but maybe somebody that'll get married can have those. Be wedding gifts. A perfect t-shirt for Big Brother. It's a little USA t-shirt. And let's see, we got this little piggy bank ceramic planter. Okay, cute. It's got that little bee guy. You just paint that. I'm going over to help my little sister move her stuff in today, so maybe I'll take some of this for Big Brother and Baby Brother to paint. And then we got 2 of these foam gliders. Big Brother will be excited for these. He loves those. We can only use those in our yard, though, because her yard's not big enough. Alright, and then the last but not least, yarn. Now, it's not skeins of yarn. This is the Celebrated little wounded yarn. This is ribbon trim, actually. So it's like braided thread or yarn. And I got 5 of those. I've got 3 of Creatology craft yarn in, what is this, neon yellow. So 3 of those. These will be good for Big Brother to play with, and Little Brother. 2 in neon pink. 2 in purple, 1 in blue, and 1 in orange. So that's all that's in my big old box here. But for $10, it's not bad at all. Not at all. So I will take it. But yep, just been big brother just had his birthday. Little brother, baby brother's about to have his second birthday. And then I'm going to start cracking down on inventory for the Crawfish Festival. So I will have more videos of me actually crocheting coming up. I've only had a few orders here and there lately. So I've honestly not picked up crocheting in a while except for those projects. I don't really do a whole lot. I do want to show you my Highland cow though. What? So I'm going to be a grandmother. My husband's oldest daughter is pregnant and she's doing a cow farm theme. So I made this little Highland cow for the baby. I will put the pattern in the description below. I can't even think of who I got it from, but I think it's one of those Belly Babies or something like that. But yep. Yeah, so I made this cute little Highland cow for her, for the baby, and then we'll go from there. I don't know what I'm going to be called, if I'm going to be called Grandma or Nana, or that's so weird because you know, you think you've got a few more years left for that, but when you have 20-year-olds, what do you expect? So thank you for coming along with me to unbox this. I got a few things from Joann's also that were on clearance, like Cricut, sticker cardstock, and all that. Their yarn isn't the best clearance prices, but it's okay. I will see you guys soon, and I hope you guys are doing well. Bye.